You can feel the power as you enter this place. It's not just a stadium, but a home for Barca, for millions of fans, and those who keep it all running smoothly. Confident in their tools and talents, they trust Stanley to be at their side. With each click of a ratchet before the crowd heads in, and every roar to celebrate a goal, reliability is tested and proven. From every pound of a hammer to every tackle and save, respect has to be earned, because it all comes down to reputation. From the Stanley tools on the hip of the professionals to the FC Barcelona crest on the pitch and in the stands, each is worn as a badge of honor, dedicated to the team, the stadium, and fans.
Barça is more than a club.
Stanley is the measure of a pro.
Together we are beyond a match.